I'm Miss Walker, and I'm videoing Wednesday's page of the week 1 at-home packet for Westlawn. Here we go. We're talking about comparing 6-digit numbers. Comparing. Okie dokie. So it's a little difficult to see this one, so I'm going to move it up. And you'll just have to listen because it's kind of difficult to see. Okay. Part 1. Write less than, greater than, or equal to on each line. So when we compare numbers, we always start in the highest place value. So I'm going to start with my highest place value. These both go to the hundred thousands place. So they both have a 2 in the hundred thousands place. So I'm going to cross that out because that's not relevant to me. That doesn't matter. They're the same. So then I go to the next place, the 10,000s place. It's got a 5 and a 5. The thousands place has a 4 and a 4. Oh, now we've got some different numbers. Now in the hundreds place, we've got an 8 and we have a 7. The one that is larger or greater is the 8. So I'm going to place 2 dots on this side because it's the bigger one. This side over here has a 7. It's smaller, so it's only going to get 1 dot. And when I connect the dots, you can see my less than sign. So it reads 254,789 is less than 254,879, or 254,879 is greater than 254,789. Okay, I'm going to do B. On these next ones, I'm not going to read them all the way across because there are so many. I'm just going to show you how to determine which one is larger, greater than, less than, or equal to. So looking at letter B, they both go to the hundred thousands place. You have a 5 in the hundred thousands place over here and a 4 over here. 5 is greater than 4. I put 2 dots on the side that's greater and 1 on the smaller side. I connect my dots and it's a greater than sign. Letter C. They both go to the hundred thousands place. I start in that highest place value. They both have a 1. I cross them out. 10,000s, they both have a 3. I cross it out. Thousands, they both have a 4. I cross it out. Hundreds, they both have a 3. I cross it out. Tens, they both have a 1. Cross it out. And in the ones place, they both have a 2. So there are no more numbers to compare. They were all the same. So this one is equal to. You can do 2 dots here and 2 dots here because they are the same. D. We have hundred thousands place, hundred thousands place. We have a 7 in both. We have a 7 in both the 10,000s place. We have an 8 in the thousands place on both. We have a 0 in the hundreds place on both. Here's where it's different. In the tens place, we have a 0 and we have a 3. 3 is greater. So this one reads that this is a less than sign. Letter E. This one goes to the 10,000s place. This one goes to the 100,000s place. That automatically means that the one over here is bigger because 100,000 is bigger than 1,000. On this one, they both go to the 100,000s place. They both have a 6 in the 100,000s place. Go to the 10,000s place. We've got a 6 and we have a 7. The 7 is larger. It gets 2 dots. When I connect it, it does have a greater than sign. Go into letter G. I'm looking at the place value. This one goes to 10,000. This one goes to 100,000. We already know the 100,000s place is greater. Letter H. We have 300,000 in the 100,000s place. They both have that 3. Then we have 40,000 in the tens place. They both have that. Ooh, in the thousands place, we have a 4 and a 0. 4 is greater. We have letter I. This one goes all the way to the 100,000s. This one only goes to 10,000s. We know 100,000 is always greater than 10,000. Letter J. We have both of these numbers going to the 100,000s. We have an 8 and an 8. 10,000s, 1 and a 1. Thousands, a 7 and a 7. Hundreds, a 3 and a 3. Tens, 0, 0. Ones, 0, 0. That means that these are both equal, the same. Letter K. They both go to the 100,000s place. We've got a 6 in both 100,000s places. We have a 0 in the 10,000s place and a 9 in the 10,000s place. 9 is greater than 0. Letter L. Oh, we've got some money. Yes. We're in the 100,000s place. We have a 1 here and a 1 here. We have a 0 and a 0. 0 and 0. Woo! Now we got a difference in the hundreds place. We've got a 2 and a 0. 2 is greater than 0. Okay. We're on part 2. On each line, write out the words is greater than, is less than, or is equal to. So I'm going to actually have to read out these numbers and tell you which one I'm going to write. So greater than goes like this, less than looks like this, and equal to looks like this. We're looking at both these numbers here on letter M. We start in our 100,000s place because they both go to the 100,000s. They both have a 7. I crossed them out. They both have an 8 in the 10,000s place. They both have a 9 in the thousands place. They both have a 2 in the hundreds place. They both have a 2 in the tens place. And they both have a 4 in the ones place. So it is equal to. And please bear with me. I am writing upside down. I didn't put is because my S's look really silly when I write them. So these two are equal to. We have both numbers going to the 100,000s place. So we've got ones. We have a 5 in the 10,000s place and a 4 in the 10,000s place. So the 5 is greater. So I want to write is greater than. We'll try the S this time. Ooh. T-E-R-T-H-A-N. All right. So 154,000 is greater than 145,000.